Ebusamema wakwa ba yafa on Ghana TV GH. Mesre or like, comment, subscribe, turn notification also on so that anytime you post video biti seria usambe kebi. Ebusia Bia West for edi asem yaba. Na asem ma omudi aba ne se omupa NPP for acho. Yenfa ese NPP for fa omubɔ ne nche omu. Na asem bi say the ubeka krakali. My mission me kuku, my mission me kept no because my mission is and I say me found too much. It was a form of me why na would my mission say because Musi MPP oya mude you are apologizing to MPP boy. MPP needs no apology. No, we don't. I mean, the idea ma'am, 8 years of Akufo Addo. From free senior high school, drone delivery, mobile money interoperability, resurrection of national health insurance, free dialysis, all train railways and all those things for the first time. Now, train to make cross the Volta River. That kind of development. Kumasi became an international airport. Ninyi nechino, muse mumpe MPP. Mose ena sugar boyedi, ena antos boyedi, ena nsionto. Hey! And then the muka Akufo Addo. Mose saying, Akufo Addo was giving you money for school feeding. And then school feeding no atonsio. Konem ko bisa. School feeding no. You have schools a whole term no. Duhani ayedi bebre no. And do 5 times and I say 6 times simple. Because abaye no at the school feeding caterers no ka. Na mo nkrofo mo senior high school mpo mo huso. Conform more senior high school no. Abaye is supposed to provide them breakfast, lunch and supper. Omo huso. Buffer stock is now empty. Mo forget it sa school feeding programming because NDC for nya crank they'll have closed that in long ago. Now you ask yourself, say, where was MPP getting the money from to sustain all those policies, all those interventions? Say first you were not thinking about it, but now you will think about it. You will. Who says, come deal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You start reasoning. Last time, say nurses for no almost. I didn't hear. Diania, Yamo, I'm say, Yamo, Diania once in a day. Now, once in a day, no program, or more years, they are cancelled. So they were demonstrated recently. Teacher training colleges. Now, Akufo Addo mom 3 hot meals every day, and then your mom only once. So once umponu, and then Papa Biao. Ombedi gobe. Ombedi gobe. You see, when you don't appreciate what you have, you would learn to appreciate it when you lose it. Bia West for. You see, now you are suffering, now you are complaining, now you are crying. Because Mungu said you have lost something very expensive, something very valuable. I MPP. Pamodi mate, mwaka mate. It's not too late. NPP is undergoing reorganization. This is the time Mbechere say you have indeed regretted. And if you have indeed regretted, you must come and join the MPP. You must start campaigning for MPP. You must make sure say, Bia West Honum, the next MP is going to be from the MPP. That is a way to rescue your own destiny. Anything less than that, Ayɛka untie debi na obehu. Oh yes, easy to do why you free. So who did Mekodia? So who test NDC dia? Who need besons you wa NDC for? So come back to MPP. Why?
Say yes. A friend la pes. Na omunya enough supply and moment me school for no. Dance on background. Akuafonya hoɔden dɔ me dunya meka me no amani hunu sɛ baby a Bia West ha sisi ya me wa me no ka sɛ emu SAS 5 no ne ma 300 series omunya ni permanent omo ana mbefa expertise no kyerɛ sɛ sisi agent for fi Thailand ene Vietnam ene obi contract o Minimum be more than 100 bucks.
I'm the school for no.
I say foreign rice no minimum school for and the school feeding. Local rice no oma bandi omo use bio. The obia odo local rice no heavy bia them just 300 cedis 400. Kura omunya.
Okay.
Maybe
I man into us, man. Okay. Dante.
Oh, my, you want to talk?
Okay. My memory. Na main church a gold board in some seminim. Near no.
Maybe. You will need more time. My mema Archbishop mo being kasa near yayɛ also. Why? So what time?
This is after he has gone to join news.
Yeah.
No, what's the name? Good evening, Ghana.
Good evening, okay.
Yeah, to indicate that he won't take it to court.
Yeah.
I hope you understand. So if you go on Good Evening Ghana and you say that you won't take it to court, then later you are like in your write-up, you indicate that you seek legal remedies. You are making a contradictory statement pertaining to this particular issue. I hope you get it.
Yeah.
So, and as Voice indicated, these things that we are doing, you are not doing it for yourself as an individual. It's the reputation of an entire political party and a reputation of an entire minority. Therefore, if you are taking not only to Afenyomakin, but the entire leadership of the party, because whatever you do affects us as youth. Because some people may say, oh, they are Omoyen Penny4, so if you are talking, but they should know that the future of the youth in the New Patriotic Party, the future of the youth in Ghana as a nation, is in the reputation of the flag bearer, reputation of our leadership of the party, the reputation of the leadership in parliament. Therefore, if anything dents their reputation, it's trickled down to the ordinary MPP follower. That has been my point, that has been my issue. So we should be careful in some things that we do, some decisions we take at a point, because at the end of the day, you'll be asking these communicators, like Voice and I, and some will have to go and sit on radio and TV and try to justify all these things, which doesn't go as easy as the decision maker may take.
And to that, Manuel, you see, Richard, sorry we are taking much of your time.
It's okay. I want you people to really talk blunt about it.
So you see, and also the thing is that it is bad that some of these decisions, all of us get to know about it at the same time. It's bad. Okay, you know, when someone makes a statement, people start spinning the statement. Okay, like if someone says that you are an extortionist, people start running with it across social media, discussing it. That very moment, at least an hour or 2 hours, our TikTokers, our communicators should know what is going to be the next course for action. You understand? So that if Rita is coming live maybe 2 hours after that, you know that Afenyomakin is going for sure to take the issue to court. So when you come, you are countering that we are going to court. Okay? But if we have to wait...
You know the funny thing?
No, tell me.
I find out about this extortionist on Sandy's platform. And immediately I rushed to all the platforms they've created on WhatsApp that they added as, like TikTok things. And I was trying to look to see whether there was like a formal, something as to how we should respond to it. I scrolled the page, I never see.
Even communicators page, I can tell you for a fact nothing of the sort was on the page.
Nothing was there. So I was like, so it took me by surprise. So I have to pause. So I started making video. I made a video and responded to Kevin Taylor's own. After I have gone to watch Afenyomakin, and that was where I confirmed that Honorable said she wasn't going to respond. Now, I've made a video to on that channel that he had said he's not going to respond. That's why I have to ask Manuel that did she say she's going to court, because the video is on my draft. I nearly even posted it because I would have posted and then wake up the next day they are telling me that she's going to court. And it's like,
Good. So that is what I feel. We are not playing our political game well. Now, finally, to come to the other issue where my friend Akasa was saying that diversionary tactics. Look, whether it is diversionary tactics or not, we have the numbers enough and the hours enough to address every issue that there be. Look, if Rita comes live and she's coming live for 4 hours, there's nothing wrong if NDC comes up with anything we respond to it. We will still talk about the gold board anyway. But we cannot also say that we are going to overlook it, we are going to ignore. You know how NDC works? NDC people work like cancer. When one small cell starts growing and you let it grow, it's going to affect 3 other cells around the organ. Yes. So we have the time. All we need is accurate and timely information. And also to know that we have leaders who are willing to go buga with NDC. Because that's the only way we are going to win the 2028 election. 2028 election is not going to be won with gentleness. So no way. No way. We are not going to win it with gentleness. We are going to win it with strategy and with hardcore politics. Let's learn from how Democrats are doing in the US. Look at how you Democrats are, the kind of position they are giving to Republicans. And you will see the results when they go for the midterms in October, November. They know what they are doing. They know we have a formidable candidate. That is true. We know his name is being cleared. All the lies that NDC said about him they are being cleared. But beyond that, Ghanaians won't care about that. Majority of Ghanaians don't care about that. They care about whose message is being repeated more in their ears. That is it. Okay. Now, finally, the forgiveness aspect that one of my brothers was talking about, I think he dropped.
Yeah.
Today I was at Accra, so I was at a place, Anyasoutu, the constituency, and we were going to do something there, and I saw an MPP car, and whenever I see an MPP car, whether I know the person or not, I approach the person. So when I approached, there were a group of people who were sitting down there. About 5 people were there, and I engaged them in a conversation. And one person among them kept saying, we have to go, the people who insulted Honorable Ken have to go and beg him and all those things. The remaining 4 around him attacked him and said, how many times you want us to go and beg this person? You understand? NPP must understand that we can win an election even if we are just 10 committed people left in the party. We can win an election. We don't need everybody. Sometimes even the greater the numbers, the more issues you have to deal with. What we need are people who are committed, who are willing to die for the party. We need people who are willing to come live like Rita and spend 6 hours just talking about the party. They're not going to ask anybody for data. They're not going to ask anybody to change their phone battery for them. They are the kind of people that our focus should be on today. And then we empower them. Also, that when Rita is live, we make sure that at least 100 people are watching her. If we have to share, we have to repost. That is how, as a party, we must go. We cannot keep crying over spilled milk.
Whatever you do, you will just be wasting your time.
So, what is it again? It's like you're going to propose to a lady. The lady does not like you. You say you are still trying to woo the person. No. Concentrate on the people who say they like you. That is it. Me, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I think. I don't know for other people, but that's what I think. Rita, thank you for the opportunity.